Good morning, friends. Today we are going to talk about the consumer decision making process. As you can see that there is two or three terms. One is consumer, one is decision making, and there is a process. When we talk about the consumer, what is the meaning of consumer? Consumer is a person who is going to purchase something. He wants to purchase something. That person will be called as consumer. Now, what is decision making? When we go to the market, there are so many alternatives available. How we purchase, when we purchase, how much amount we purchase, from which place we purchase. This comes under your decision making. And this decision making cannot be done in a single second. This decision making takes time. We take one by one steps. That is why it is called as a process. It means when a consumer wants to purchase something, he follow a step by step process for making the decision about the purchase. It means when a consumer is making decision to purchase something, he will follow a whole process. Today we are going to discuss about this process. Now, the whole process can be divided into 5 steps. The first one is recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative, purchase decision, and the final stage is called as post purchase evaluation. We will discuss all these stages one by one. The first one is recognition of need. Suppose you are going on a road and suddenly you come to know that I have to purchase a car, and you go inside the showroom and you purchase the car. Does it happen so? No, it is not like this. What we do, if we have to purchase the car, we will have to do so many evaluation about the cars. What are the features, what are the different alternatives available. In such a way, you do not make a quick decision. It is a whole process. You follow one by one. You do not make a decision to purchase something. What you do, the first step comes here, the recognition of need. Here in your mind, very first time come that I want to purchase something. We will take the one example. Suppose you want to purchase a car. What will happen one day? Might be you are at your home and you feel that, oh, I should purchase a car. It will be very helpful for me when I'll be going my office. What happens here? A need came into your mind that you should purchase a car. Now, what you will do? The second step will be information search. What you will be doing? You will be start searching the information about the car. You can take the help of internet, you can take help of the Google, you can use your own experience, you can take the help of your friends, your colleagues, your boss. You can search the information from anywhere. You will try to identify all the sources from where you can get the information. Now, the third step comes here, the evaluation of alternatives. When you started searching the information, you will come to know that there are so many different varieties of car and so many different varieties of brands available in the market. Now, what you will do? You will make a comparison between those different brands. You can make, in our example we have taken car, what you can do, you can make a comparison between Hyundai, Maruti, Mercedes, or any other car which comes under your final decision. Then when you have made alternative, the comparison of alternative, then you will come to the final stage. What you will do? You will do a purchase decision. Finally, you will be going to a showroom, then you will be purchasing a particular car. Now, when you have purchased the car, the process does not stop here. What you will do? after purchasing that particular car, you will evaluate that particular car. You will try to identify whether the decision you have made, it is good or bad for you. You will try to satisfy your mind, and here you will create a perception about that particular product which you have purchased from a particular seller, and that your knowledge will help someone else when he will be purchasing car, and that particular person will be searching the information. Your post purchase evaluation will help someone else when he will be following all these steps of decision making, and that person will be in the information search stage. So our decision making process for the purchase made up of 5: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you got the concept of all the four stages. Thank you very much.